HIV test. This is our HIV test kit. It's the Trin-Screen test. Sawa, inaitwa Trin-Screen. Okay, so you all know what HIV is. Human immunodeficiency virus, and it can escalate to AIDS. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Yes. So for us to do this, we have to have our kit. We have our kit. We have the prickers, kind of like needles. They look like needles. So these are our prickers, and then this is what you're going to use to prick using. Okay, I'm going to show you how we use this one. Yeah. So every time you're having a patient who has come to your clinic or VCT and they want to do the HIV test, you have to talk to them. You tell them if you find your results are positive or negative, so that how they cope with the results, it may not also affect them, because maybe they knew they're negative and then they found out they're positive, and then they start breaking out in the room. So you also have to manage. You tell them it's normal, people are living with it, with drugs, you have the ARVs, it's not bad, don't stigmatize yourself, stuff like that. Okay? Yeah. So first of all, you wash your hands, and this is very serious in HIV testing, and you also have to wear your gloves and you don everything. You have to be prepared, because one small mistake, even a small prick, you will have the infection. So in every test kit, we always have a weak line to open with. Madam Rita, I want to do the HIV test on you. Whatever result you're going to see over here, do not be scared if they're positive or negative. If they're positive, they're people to support you in the healthcare system. There are drugs that people use during the process, so you should not be scared and stigmatize yourself. And then if you're negative, you'll be okay and ready to continue protecting yourself not to get it. Okay? So you'll wipe the site. Then after wiping the site, it's that simple. So we have this for picking our blood. It's a So after that, we have our buffer. It's called a buffer, the one that we put on the blood so that it can start moving, and we know if you're positive, clean, or the test is you're negative or positive. Okay, I'm going to put 2 drops. I don't know if it's clear, everyone can see. So this is where we placed our blood sample. And then 2 drops, and then you wait for your results.